Okay, this video is for 1965 Lincoln Continental, addressing the windows, the window motor, and how to repair some of the issues there. So my motor runs, but the gear, the regulator is not moving up and down because the gear inside here broke. This is what the gear looks like. It's supposed to have, this is supposed to be one unit together, but over time it broke. So I went and got Dorman. This part number here, it's about $13 on Amazon and about $18 at Advance Auto Parts. It's almost, the gear on the inside is a little bit different, but the size of the gear is a match, as well as this right here. The only problem is I can't use this little cover for it because it'll rub against here. So then I'm just gonna take it off. I don't plan on using the car that often, so you know, dust and stuff, I'm gonna take care of my car, so I don't expect it to be an issue. Basically the gear is right in there. What you want to do is remove these 3 bolts and be careful. This is on a spring tension. There's a spring right there, and you can take it out, replace the gear, put your grease back in there, and the key to putting it back and understanding where the spring goes is this. And this is for the driver side rear window. So this thing's supposed to sit like this, okay? And I'll show you how it works. It's supposed to sit like this up against the door. And this right here, you want it as this part that I'm holding with my thumb comes down. That's when the window lowers. You want to build tension in that spring, so that when it goes back up, that spring's going to help push that heavy window back up, and that's what you want to do. In order to set it in correctly, you want to go ahead and put all the groove on the right hand side, which is right there. If you're on the right hand side, load up your tension spring using your hand to load it up, and then connect it to your switch. Turn on your switch and let the switch roll a little bit, and it'll hook in there, and already you got the spring tension in there. Don't make the same mistake that I made with my other door. I put it in, I did not put the tension load on it, so now the window's stuck on the bottom and it will not come up. That when it load up on the spring here, it helps it to have the strength to push the window up when it's going back up. Now, as you can see, there are 4 holes here. Four areas here for four bolts that goes in to hold this window regulator, and there's one more here that holds up the motor against the door, and I'll show you how to remove it. Alright, so this is the door. These are the 4 bolts that's going to hold your window regulator. This is the 1 bolt down here that holds the motor. They all come as part of a unit. Now here's a channel here in which the window regulator goes in there. You're technically able to remove the little wheel on the little plastic wheel on the bottom, and you're supposed to then just push the window all the way up, squeeze the regulator together. Loosen these 4 bolts. Do this one first. Loosen 4 bolts, and that way you can move the window regulator and squeeze it together, and then you're supposed to take it out from this side. But also don't forget to disconnect your wire right here. My problem was with these old Lincolns, the wheels have froze inside the regulator with the regulator, so it's very hard to take it off. So what I did was I marked where the channel, this is the channel. It's supposed to sit like this, where the window regulator goes in here and it moves back and forth. I just went ahead and marked the channel right here, the bolts, so I can loosen this up, take this out. That way I don't have to try to remove the window regulator off of the plastic bolt. And that's how you remove it out. Now while you're at it, you might as well remove the window out and clean these things in here, so that way the window can travel up and down nicely. What you want to do to remove the window is mark the upper window stop. Okay, I mark where the bolt's supposed to go on both sides. Removed it, and all you do is just pull the window straight up out, and basically there's this a channel there. There's another channel right here that you see the bolt right here, and that the window just go right into the channel. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean them up, and that's how you address your window motor. Address the window, cleaning it up to make sure that it's nice and smooth moving forward. All right, hope it helps somebody. Talk to you later.